Betty
Bossy is the #1 culinary brand in Switzerland. We stand for simple cuisine, simple enjoyment.
Einfacher Genuss.
Our customer centre has 10 staff members. The big challenge we had was that we can't immediately answer customers when they need help, especially those of us in the culinary department, as we only work from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays. That's why we looked for a solution. We got to know Guru and loved the idea of customers helping other customers. We have a large Betty Bossy fan community, people who like cooking, who enjoy passing on their knowledge to others. We wanted to make use of that. I am a fan of Betty Bossy. I have a lot of their practical kitchen utensils at home, from deep fryer to grater to ladle, and the Betty Bossy cookbooks. When I look for a recipe, Betty Bossy is always the first place I look. It's great to see that you can help someone find a solution to their problem. When the COVID-19 lockdown took place, the requests we received increased from 100% to 170%. We were completely overrun and were incredibly happy that the Gurus could relieve us by taking over a large part of the work. Guru is an additional channel to the call centre. The Gurus take on a lot of support inquiries. We noticed this based on the numbers, especially on the weekend, where we can now answer many questions that would otherwise have been received via email and that we would have had to process the following week. Guru helped us in becoming faster and in managing to offer great customer service from 8 in the morning to 10 in the evening, 7 days a week. Guru provides us with tremendous support, as there is nothing more credible than customers who help other customers.